Okay, so for today's assignment, you are going to be exploring this website and to see how different families live in different parts of the world. You'll choose 3 different families. You'll write where they're from, what type of home they live in, like if it's a house, an apartment, whatever. And then you'll describe their home, like the size, the style, let's put the color, other descriptors, parts of the house. And then you'll also describe specifically their bathroom. Your Spanish doesn't need to be perfect, and I've even included some sentence frames for you. And so we'll go through that. So first of all, let's go to this website and see. We need to choose 3 families. What does this look like? Okay. So this was not supposed to be up. When you guys will come in, it will look like this. There will be different families. These are all from the Americas. But you want to choose families that speak Spanish, that are from Spanish-speaking countries. So we won't do the United States. How about Brazil? Claro que no. In Brazil, they speak Portuguese. These others are looking good. We could do, oh, see, none of the Brazil ones, but some of these others would work great. There's also some Haiti ones in here, and Haiti doesn't work, or Canada. Haiti doesn't work. They speak Francés. So anyway, you're going to just look through. You're going to choose any 3 families where they speak Spanish. Okay, here's a family. Son de Mexico. So we're going to go ahead and click on them. And when you click on a family, you will then want to go to visit this family. And it'll give us more information. And we'll also click on read more. Okay. So the family name is Jaime, so that's their last name. So they live in Mexico, and here's their monthly income. Okay, so I forget, what are we supposed to do? Let's go back and look again. We need to write where the family is from. Okay, we know these guys are from Mexico, so we're going to say la familia Jaime es de México. All right. And Jaime in Spanish is actually spelled like this, but if you don't spell it perfectly, no big deal. Okay, type of home they live in. I don't know. Let's go back. So, they live with their sons. They live in a 3-bedroom house, which they built and owned. Okay, great. So, they live, oops, go over here. Let's see here. Which sentence frame? Okay, we use la familia es de for here. Su casa es, we don't want to say their house is. We want to say maybe viven en una, they live, or the family lives, vive en una casa. If it was an apartment, we'd say vive en un apartamento. Okay, description of the home, and then we'll do a description of the bathroom. We'll be done with these guys. So it has 3 bedrooms. Great. They've been living there for 20 years. Electricity, water, toilet. Okay, so we'll look at what else. Let's go ahead and start looking through the pictures. There's a bunch. Okay, the backyard. They've got a patio. They've got a bathroom. We already know they have 3 bedrooms. What else can we see? I mean, clearly they have a kitchen. Drying, this will be on top on the roof, but we won't really need to talk about that. Front door, let's see. Okay, here's a general picture of the house. Let's see, what kind of color could we say? I don't know. Maybe white and red? That could work. There's the hallway. They've got kind of an area. So we've got the kitchen. There's another bedroom, their pet. See, there's a lot of things that we don't necessarily have to talk about for this, but here's a sitting area outside on the roof. That's kind of fun. Here's a couch or the sofa, so that we would have a sala. And what else? What else? Okay, here's their little work area. So based on this, let's go back to our assignment. Okay. So we could describe their home, maybe the size, the style. Okay. we've got a few more sentence frames. Su casa tiene. I think that might work to start with. Su casa, their house has. Su casa tiene tres dormitorios. I think there was just one bathroom. I'm going to put un baño. Let's see here. Una sala, a living room. Y una cocina. I didn't really see a laundry room. It looked like they probably maybe hand wash their clothes and then they hang it on the roof. So we won't put a laundry room in there. Let's see here. What else could we say about it? The size, the style, the color, other descriptors, parts of the house. It did seem, let's see here, what could we call it? Now, if you're having troubles remembering some of the descriptor words, you can go back to that Quizlet set and check. But let's see, it seemed, fairly organized. Nice, neat. They had stuff, but it was all in its place. All right, I'm going to say that they have, they have some things out, but they're all kind of in their areas where they're supposed to be. So let's go ahead and put, I could say, su casa es ordenada. I don't know. I'm kind of stuck if I want to call it a big house or a small house, so I think I'm just going to leave it there. Or I could say, actually, let's do one more. Let's say, su casa es ordenada. Let's do y más o menos, more or less, pequeña. At least it's smaller than what I'm used to here. So I'll do that. Okay, description of the bathroom. So this is our last part. We come here. Oh, here's our bathroom toilet area. Okay. This has general information about bathrooms. So their bathroom looks pretty nice. Okay, how can we describe the bathroom? Now we haven't learned the words for toilet and sink and things yet, so I'm just going to do a general description. Su baño, I'm using this last sentence frame, es ordenado y cómodo. I remember if it was a house, we'd say ordenada, casa ordenada, but this is a baño, which is masculine, ordenado y cómodo. All right, so that's great. Then we'll come to back to our website. We'll exit out of there, and let's see here. We're gonna go back, and then we'll choose. Oh boy. Here, we'll exit out of this family, and then you can come back and choose another family. I recommend choosing a totally different type of family. These guys seem like a middle-income, somebody who's seems quite a bit richer, maybe somebody who's quite a bit poorer, and just see the differences, different countries. You choose 3 that you want, and then you're done. You submit your assignment.